Hey everybody, welcome back to Drug Talk. My name is Garrett Campbell. In today's video, we're going to be doing a more simplified version of a video that we covered in the past on Tadalafil or CIALIS. And we're starting right now. So to start this presentation, we'll discuss what this medication is used for. So CIALIS treats erectile dysfunction and symptoms of an enlarged prostate. This is sometimes referred to as BPH. It also treats high blood pressure in the lungs and helps these patients improve their exercise ability. Now, how to use this medication. So your doctor will tell you how much medicine to use. Do not take more than directed. Your dose may need to change to find what works best for you. Swallow the tablet whole. Do not crush, chew, split, or break it. We'll now discuss some warnings associated with Tadalafil or CIALIS. So tell your doctor if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. This would obviously be for patients that are using it for high blood pressure in the lungs, or if you have liver disease, diabetes, lung issues, bleeding problems, or leukemia, sickle cell anemia, a stomach ulcer, or eye problems. Tell any doctor that treats you that you are taking CIALIS. So just make sure that your healthcare team is aware that you're using this medication. Tell your doctor if you have chest pain during activity, heart disease, heart rhythm problems, high or low blood pressure, or a history of heart attack or stroke. This medication may cause the following problems. So low blood pressure, especially if taken with other blood pressure medications, painful or prolonged erections, vision or hearing problems. And there's a note here, be sure to keep all medicine out of the reach of children and never share your medicine with anybody. The next two slides are going to go over some different side effects, and these side effects particularly, you would want to seek help from a physician or get in touch with your physician if you were to experience any of these. So allergic reaction, this could present as itching or hives, swelling in your face or hands, swelling or tingling in your mouth or throat, chest tightness, trouble breathing. Obviously, with any of these symptoms, you would want to get help right away. If you have chest pain or trouble breathing, if you have a fast, slow, pounding, or uneven heartbeat, lightheadedness or fainting, if you have a painful erection or an erection lasting longer than 4 hours, sudden vision loss, or a sudden decrease in hearing or hearing loss, ringing in the ears, or dizziness. For these side effects on this slide, you would really just want to talk to your physician at your next appointment about these, or even talk to your pharmacist when you're getting your prescription filled next time. These would not be ones where you would have to seek attention right away. So a headache, back or muscle pain, stuffy or runny nose, upset stomach, or warmth or redness in the face, neck, arms, or upper chest. Alright everybody, that's all we're going to talk about today with CIALIS or Tadalafil. As always, I'm very thankful you took the time to come by and watch one of my videos. If you found the information valuable and you'd like to help grow this channel, remember you can like the videos, share the videos, most importantly subscribe to the YouTube channel. There's also some links in the description you can check out as well. So for today, take care.